Hey, once again, y'all, we here with Yankee Floors, him and his wife, husband and wife team. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am more than satisfied. I am super happy. Thank you for this beautiful bathroom. Yankee, hey, what did you do in here? And also tell the others how they can reach you if they want to get a beautiful bathroom.
We just did some tile work like we always do. You can reach us at 309-338-5710.
All right. Thank you, Miss Yankee.
Your light's too bright. I can't see what I'm doing.
All right. Back it up. That's that good light. That iPhone 11, baby.
Radford Homes, keep putting this Radford Homes sign right my way.
I know. 863-410-0877.
Prep's already done.
Yankee, it's 11 o'clock and he's finna leave me, y'all. Oh, man, stop it. You like them walls, Patrick?
Fix the walls, Mom. Yeah, please don't let there.
Those walls look good. You didn't even put no tape on them. You freehand them. It's the man that can paint. Florida General Coating and Company. Cabinet painting, grouting backsplash, grouting wall tile. Look at those two guys right there. Time to go to work, gentlemen. Break's over. Good job, man. Florida General Coating, 863-559-5472. Patrick. Okay, today, y'all, I'm with no other than FPI Services, my main man, Nick. He's taking care of Radford Homes like he always do. Hey, Nick, what are you doing today, man?
Well, we're disconnecting the sink, and Greg's going to put in a brand new one. Radford Homes is going to put a brand new one in right here in this corner. We're going to replace the faucet, put new supply lines in, obviously replace part of the trap assemblies and stuff, put a new pop-up in, and then hopefully clean up the wall a little bit there and set it, mount it, and make it look good.
So, Nick, in those supply lines under there, there's a certain word they use for the insurance company. Call them what?
Oh, polybutylene?
Yeah.
Polybutylene, I mean, poly is a common supply line that is used. People nowadays are buying more of the flex and braided. What insurance companies don't want to see is polybutylene coming out of the wall. They won't insure polybutylene.
Oh, I thought it was all together.
They'll ask to have these replaced. Some insurance companies, not all, but polybutylene is one of those ones that was under the major class action suit back in the day for damaging, and it would just split and break open, crack on the fittings. And so the class action lawsuit is actually, it might even still be open to this day, but.
Oh, okay. See, that's why I roll with Nick, with FPI Plumbing. All right, Nick, so if they wanted to reach you, I know you'll come out and do some work. How can they reach you? What's your number?
863-937-9789.
All right, thanks, Nick. Salute. Out with the old, in with the new. Not a pretty sight, but guess what? We'll be in a second. Give us a call. 863-410-0877. Salute all of them. All right, Nick is changing out. What you changing out? That's a P-trap, Nick, or no?
Yeah, this is a P-trap, inch and a quarter P-trap for lavy sinks. We're pulling most everything.
Why you call it a lavy sink, Nick?
Because it's lavatory.
Okay.
Bathroom sink is another word for it, but lavatory was pretty much one of the original names. Gonna
Okay.
use the lavatory. But right now we're disconnected, ready to hopefully pull this whole cabinet out and make it look good.
You want me to get the crowbar or something?
Well, let's see what we got here. Maybe it'll just. Okay, Loctite. Yeah, somebody put Loctite on the wall.
So, Nick, why you got to do all of that? Somebody glued that?
Yeah, they use Loctite caulking to the wall to anchor it down.
So what do you use? Don't you normally bolt it?
Normally it's just a couple screws in the inside of the cabinet that goes into the Durarock or drywall, but you try to hit the studs in the wall to make sure it anchors it and holds it.
Oh, it came out pretty easy.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
I thought we was finna get some HGTV, Nick. I thought we was finna get some HGTV. All right, and Nick got him out of there. One bang, man. He hit it twice. I thought it was about to go down.
Yeah, made it really look good.
Oh, man. That shows you how much I know. I thought he was gonna bang the wall out. All right, folks. Catch you on the next.
So once it's all done, it doesn't look too bad.
That's right.
Just got some trim out to do around the edges once they're all done.
Yeah.
Cool. Actually looks nice.
It does. Looks perfect.
Cool. Grab some tools and hang this up.
All right, once again, y'all, I got my main man, Nick Fetty, here with FPI Plumbing, and he's going to tell you what he did for Radford Homes with the shower, the valve, sink, the whole 9 yards. Check it out. Talk to him, Nick.
Here's what we did over the past few days. We installed a new shower valve behind the walls. Then Yankee flooring came in and put up new walls and everything for Radford Homes. We installed the new tub spout, new faucet handles, and new shower head. Also, the piping behind the wall has also been replaced. Then Yankee flooring came in and did all the shower enclosure, made it all nice and excellent. Then we also put a new vanity sink in. Greg picked out the creme de la creme of all the sinks and did a good job. Look for the deals. You put in new piping underneath, new faucet. Everything is all set and ready to go.
We've got rid of that, what you call that word?
Polybutylene.
Yeah.
We went with the braided flex.
Okay, braided flex. That's up to code, Nick?
Yep, that's up to code.
Okay, all right. Well, Nick, once again, how can they reach you, man?
They can reach us either by phone, 863-937-9789, or on our website. They can also book and schedule on our website at fpiplumbing.com.
All right. Thank you, Nick.
No problem.
Salute. Brand new.